Good morning, students. By continuing our topic, economic importance of lichen, now we will study about the beneficial aspects of lichen. As lichen used in industry, in which industry? Tannin and dyeing industries, cosmetics and perfume industries, brewing and distillation industries, and for minerals and natural products. And we can obtain poison from lichens also. How we can use lichen in tannin and dyeing industry? Some lichens are used in leather industries. Criteria, Alendica and Laboria pulmonaria show the astringent property. And this astringent substance is extracted from the thallus of lichen and is used in tannin industry. Lichens are also used in preparing natural dyes. Orchil, 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 blue dye, which is obtained from Rossella and Laconera lichen, and it is used to dye woolen articles and silk fabrics. It is purified as orchum and used as a biological stain. A brown dye is obtained from Parmelia species, whereas Orcholichia species yield a red dye. Litmus used as a acid-base indicator. It is also a dye and is obtained from Drosera tinctoria and Lacellia pustulata. Now lichens used in cosmetic and perfumes industries. Evenaria, Ramalina, Sidorina are reported to have perfumed volatile oils due to the aromatic substances present in the thallus of lichen. These are used in the preparation of various cosmetic articles, perfumery goods, dhoop, which is used in puja and havan ceremonies, etc. Lichens also used in havan to prepare preparation of havan samagris, etc. In brewing and distillation industry, some species of lichen, for example, Ceteria inlandica, contains carbohydrates in the form of lichenin. In Sweden and Russia, alcohol is produced from these lichens, and these lichens are also used in confectionery. Now some lichens are used as a minerals or to obtain a large amount of minerals. Lecanora esculenta is found in limestone desert and yields large amount of calcium oxalate crystals. These are 60% of its dry weight. Some lichens are used to produce the natural products or to obtain natural products from lichens. Lichens are known to produce over 550 natural products. Some important natural products I can tell you selagenic acid, squamatic acid, lichenoic acid, and these are obtained or produced by different lichen varieties or lichen species. Some type of poison also obtained from lichens. I tell you, some lichens are poisonous due to the presence of various substances in them, like wolf moss, जिसको हम लिथेरिया बोलते हैं, poisonous due to the substance vulpinic acid used as poison for wolves. Citeria juniperina is also poisonous due to the presence of pinacetic acid. Palmella mollicucula also poisonous due to the selenium. Xanthoria also poisonous due to the presence of beryllium. And Averina is also poisonous due to the presence of chlorine. Now we can study about the harmful effects of the lichens. Lichens growing on young fruit trees and sandal trees, as it is harmful to the plant. During hot season, some species of lichens become so dry and inflammable that they often help in spreading forest fire. Some lichens act as allergic हो सकते हैं. The commercial value of glass and marble stone is reduced because of their presence on the surface. Some lichens like Cladonia rangifera, Citeria islandica accumulate large quantities of radioactive strontium from atomic fallouts, and these may be incorporated in the food chain. Lichens, which is consumed by reindeer and then consumed by man, and man is the second consumer, leading to their accumulation in human tissues. At last, we can say lichens are our friends as well as enemy. Thank you.